Hi everyone, this is a video about this variable speed rotary detail carver, which is not really a carver because the engine inside and electronics here, they are so weak that they are incapable of doing anything that this one is claiming. But in many places they have listed this as Manicure and Pedicure Rotary tool, which is good. I guess if it's weak, you are not going to damage yourself so much. And I have made a video about this, and I disassembled this totally to show you the working of this machine inside and prove that this one is not really a good one. So because it's cheap and flimsy and it's not very strong, many people, they had some problem when I opened this and when I showed them how to put the tools in there and so on. And they said that I'm out of shot, and can I make another video to show them how to operate this properly? And that's what I'm going to do right now. So I get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk more about this. So when you open the box, you get all of these, which is an adapter that is 9 volt, 800 milliamp hour, that the pin is center positive, and the pin is like this. I opened everything just to save time, and we get some tools, and they say that these are diamond, but I doubt it, because for such a cheap unit is impossible to provide you 1, 2, 5 diamond bears, and here, and the sander. And then we are going to put one of those in here in order to demonstrate. And this is the unit itself. I put this one out of the sight, and then you have a very limited user manual. It comes with different name, different manufacturer's name, and here it says the specification, single speed 20,000, and but it doesn't say revolution per minute, 3,000 to 20,000. And then this is the colored sizes, and then a spring choke and dimensions, and this is the safety instruction, and then operation. You can read it at your leisure, and it's not going to do anything near to 3,000 even. I'm sure about that, let alone 20,000. But again, here we have another 3,000 to 13,000. So a little bit of uncertainty as to what this machine is capable of. But I'm telling you that this is not really true, whatever that you see in here. So in my old video, which was nearly some years ago, I opened this unit via these 4 screws here, that I took them out, and since then I haven't put them in because I'm not using this at all, actually, because for my use is useless, and it has a the potentiometer to adjust the speed, but the speed is just slow and fast all the way long, so you cannot adjust it at all. I demonstrate how it operates, and this is the tip that you put your tools inside, and then this is where you put your adapter plug inside, and this is the off, on, and maximum and minimum and off. So nothing really much here. And this is the pin that is going to lock the central shaft inside in order to tighten and loosen the tools. As you hear, is going in. Let me just demonstrate. You see it's not all the way in, but when you tighten this, it's going in, lock it in place, and now you can lock it or unlock it and then let it go. And the way they ask me how you put these tools in, so I put one of these in and I show you how this is going to go in the center of here, and then you lock this, push this pin in, and then tighten this. And as you tighten it, this one locks this shaft in place for you to just tighten it, and then you can use it. And I put this adapter inside and I show you how it operates. This is it. It's not a really good one, I'm telling you. This is off, on, you see. And on and off. And then when you want to change this, you just push this pin in and then turn this and then take this out and then put another one in. This is how to operate this unit, and push this pin in as well. And then when you want to take it out, push this pin again, all the way it must go in. If it doesn't, later when you are turning this, it's going in. And take it off. And that's really it. I just take this out and I show you the inside, how it works, and then I'm going to end this video. So the 4 screws that I mentioned, that I haven't put them back in, they are situated in these 4 holes, but as soon as you take them out, this is not going to be disassembled. You have to take this part out. It's just push fit, don't worry about it. There is no thread or something. You just turn and pull it out. Turn and pull it out, like so. And then the other end is the screws. There are some threads there, like so. And then when you undo all of those 4 screws, you can just disassemble it like this. And then this is the working of this rotary tool inside, and it has a bearing here. When you open this, be careful to remember the position that this one is, because if you put it in different positions, it's going to cause you some problem, because this is a very cheap one. Anyhow, and this is the hole that is going to engage with this pin, and you can see the pin from here. When I push it in, you see now the pin is in. And when you turn it, as you see, this shaft is not going to turn at all. And then when you tighten it, let it go, and now is engaged. And this is the working of this machine inside. Let me just, this is the potentiometer that adjusts the speed, and there is some resistor, transistor, capacitor, and another resistor down there, and that's it. Nothing more in here. Let me just see, focus. I guess this one in the background is causing problem. And now another time I demonstrate for you. This is maximum, and as you see, I'm turning this and not, something happening, and this is about to be switched off, so this is useless as well. That's really it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and those people that they complain that I haven't demonstrated this properly and I was out of shot, or they couldn't see what I am doing. I hope I satisfied some of my viewers, and that's it. Anyhow, thanks for your watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.